Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Nabila Fitri Effendi as the first speaker of the opposition side of the House. Before I deliver my substantial points on the motion today, this House regret merger and acquisition within the tech industry. I would like to give some rebuttals for the first speaker of the government side of the House. First, the government side of the House said the mergers and acquisition within the tech industry, it limits consumer ability to exercise privacy, and the companies can hear what we are talking about through the mic, and the government said about our data to the merger or a new acquired companies, and the government also said there's a scandal because Facebook changed WhatsApp terms and privacy. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a merger within two big companies that has been around for a long time with a lot of experience, and I believe that they will not do the same mistakes that they already do before. And at first, the companies promised to the customers to keep the privacy. And if the companies abuse our personal data, we have rights to sue the companies to the governments, and the governments will take a part in this case. And how do you think that the companies have rights to hear what we are talking about on the mic? And you know that in this country, there is a lot of people who use that facility on the companies. The users are bigger than the workers. And there is a lot of people who talking through the mic. So, the worker cannot hear what we are talking about through the mic one by one because there is a lot of people who talk through the mic. And second, you say that we have a limit facilities. But ladies and gentlemen, in my perspective, it is truly wrong. From the mergers or acquisition within the two companies, it is just combine the facilities from the companies. Even we can get efficient thing because the two companies mergers. The third, you said about job loss, about replace the labor, but the mergers of two companies will make the companies bigger and have a lot of tasks to do than before, and it will developing the companies. So the companies will have a lot of tasks to do than before. Then when the companies develop, the companies will need more worker, and can open a job fields. So there is no replace the labor. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's jump to my substantial points. First, the merger and acquisition within the companies will develop the companies and have innovation. When the companies mergers, they will be a bigger companies, they will develop their companies. And it will be a bigger business, and they can create innovation. They can sharing their ideas to create something new. They also can sharing about their mistakes that they have already. They also can sharing about their experience, even their mistakes that they already done in the past, so they can avoid the mistakes happen in the future. Second, the mergers and acquisition within the companies will give us more benefits. For example, Gojek and Tokopedia. Gojek is a transportation provider, and Tokopedia is an online shopping provider. When they mergers to GoTo, we can get a discount in Gojek because Gojek also have a market, and in Tokopedia we can get the free postal fee or just a discount postal fee because Tokopedia use Gojek as their shipping. And then when the companies mergers, it can be a bigger companies, so it will be the in bahasa jaringan will be bigger, and we can interest the foreign investor to invest in our local business, so we can compete with other companies. And last, with these mergers, it can motivate other companies to become a great companies, because when the two companies mergers, that will be a better companies, and the other companies can have a motivation from that. Ladies and gentlemen, I, as the opposition side of the house, disagree with this motion, and I'm proud to propose. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.